The best and worst vegetables for seniors over 65. Hello, everyone. Did you know that the vegetables you eat every day could be silently harming your immune system, speeding up brain aging, or even weakening your legs? It's a shocking truth, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you. Today, we'll uncover 3 vegetables seniors over 65 must eat daily to stay sharp, strong, and mobile, and 3 you should avoid at all costs. Stick around until the end for a surprising reveal about a so-called healthy vegetable that could be undermining your legs without you even noticing. If you're ready to take control of your health, hit that subscribe button, subscribe Senior Wisdom, activate the bell, and let's dive in. Drop a 1 in the comments if you're excited to learn, or a 0 if you have feedback to help me improve. Let's get started. 3 vegetables seniors must eat daily. 1. Broccoli, the natural armor against aging. Let's start with a powerhouse, broccoli. This isn't just a vegetable, it's like nature's armor for seniors. Broccoli is packed with sulforaphane, a compound that fights chronic inflammation, the silent culprit behind aging. Inflammation doesn't just cause aches, it weakens blood vessels, joints, brain function, and even leg strength, all critical for staying independent as you age. Studies in the Journal of Gerontology show sulforaphane activates pathways that detoxify your body and boost its defenses. Plus, broccoli's vitamin K, calcium, and antioxidants strengthen bones and arteries, protecting against fractures and calcification, huge risks after 65. But here's the real game changer: broccoli improves blood flow to your legs and feet. Better circulation means stronger, steadier steps, fewer balance issues, and a lower risk of falls, which are the leading cause of fatal injuries for seniors. Lightly steam your broccoli for a few minutes to keep its nutrients intact. Overcooking kills its power. Just 1 cup a day is an investment in your vitality, confidence, and future. Are you already a broccoli fan? Let me know in the comments. Next, let's talk about a leafy green that's a secret weapon for your brain and muscles. 2. Spinach, the key to mental clarity and strength. Spinach might seem like a simple salad green, but for seniors, it's a game changer. It's loaded with natural nitrates that boost blood flow to your brain and muscles. As we age, poor circulation can lead to fatigue, weak reflexes, and mental fog. Spinach fights this by widening blood vessels, keeping your legs strong and your mind sharp. It's also rich in lutein and folate, which studies link to better memory and processing speed. A small handful of spinach daily can help you think clearly and move confidently. Plus, its lutein and zeaxanthin protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in seniors. Good vision means safer walking, driving, and enjoying life's moments. For the best benefits, lightly sauté spinach or blend it into a smoothie. Overcooking destroys its nutrients. Spinach isn't just food, it's a protector of your independence and joy. Are you still with me? Drop a quick comment to let me know. Now, let's explore a colorful root that's a hero for your balance and vision. 3. Carrots, the unsung champion of vitality. Carrots are more than a crunchy snack, they're a lifeline for seniors. Packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, carrots keep your vision sharp, which is crucial for avoiding falls and staying independent. Research shows beta-carotene delays macular degeneration, helping you see loved ones' faces and the world clearly. Carrots also support balance and coordination. Their antioxidants protect blood vessels and nerves, ensuring your brain's signals to your feet are quick and reliable. This means steadier steps and stronger legs. Plus, Their fiber stabilizes blood sugar, supports digestion, and lowers cholesterol, key for long-term health. Eat carrots fresh, lightly steamed, or shredded in salads to maximize their benefits. 1 or 2 a day can transform your senses, heart, and mobility. That's our trio of must-eat veggies. But not all vegetables are friends. Let's uncover 3 you should avoid to protect your health. 3 vegetables seniors should avoid. 1. Eggplant, the hidden threat to mobility. First up, eggplant. It looks harmless, low-calorie, vibrant, and versatile. But beneath its glossy skin lies solanine, a compound that can trigger inflammation, especially in joints and muscles. For seniors with arthritis or muscle stiffness, this can mean more pain, reduced mobility, and weaker legs over time. This inflammation can quietly impair blood flow and coordination, raising your risk of falls. Even cooking doesn't fully eliminate solanine's effects. For seniors, the risk outweighs the benefits. Swap eggplant for safer options like zucchini or broccoli to protect your joints and keep moving freely. Have you been eating eggplant regularly? Share your thoughts in the comments. Next, let's talk about a colorful veggie with a dark side. 2. Green bell peppers, the silent inflamer. Green bell peppers are a kitchen staple, but for seniors, they're trouble. As part of the nightshade family, they contain lectins, proteins that can irritate your gut and cause low-grade inflammation. This subtle damage erodes blood vessels, joints, and nerve health, leading to stiffness, tingling, or unsteadiness when walking. Unlike their red or yellow cousins, green peppers lack the antioxidants to offset this harm. Cooking reduces lectins slightly, but it's best to avoid them, especially if you have arthritis or digestive issues. Choose red peppers or leafy greens instead for vibrant, safe nutrition. We're almost at the big reveal. Stay tuned for the final vegetable to avoid. 3. White potatoes, the comfort food that weakens you. Here's the shocking truth: white potatoes, America's favorite comfort food, could be silently harming you. Their high simple carbs spike blood sugar, causing inflammation that stresses blood vessels and nerves. Over time, this leads to numbness, cramping, and weaker legs, increasing fall risks. White potatoes also contribute to arteriosclerosis, hardening arteries, and reducing blood flow to your extremities. They lack the antioxidants found in sweet potatoes or carrots, offering little protection against aging. Common toppings like butter or cream only worsen their impact on heart health. Swap white potatoes for sweet potatoes or quinoa for steady energy and stronger circulation. Your legs and heart will thank you. Conclusion: the power of your choices. As we age, every meal is a choice, a vote for strength or struggle. Eating broccoli, spinach, and carrots daily builds a foundation for sharp thinking, steady steps, and vibrant health. Avoiding eggplant, green bell peppers, and white potatoes protects your joints, circulation, and independence. Healthy aging isn't about miracles, it's about small, consistent choices. Each bite of the right vegetable is an act of self-respect, a step toward a fuller life with loved ones and new adventures. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one change you'll make after watching this? Drop it in the comments, along with a 1 if you found this helpful or a 0 with feedback to make my content better. Don't forget to subscribe Senior Wisdom, hit the bell, and share this video with someone who needs it. Thank you for watching, and here's to living your strongest, healthiest life. Let's keep supporting each other on this journey. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay vibrant, and take care.